What is up, Zee Moto Fam? I hope you guys are doing well and having a great day. So this is my first vlog of 2021. I just wanted to do a quick vlog before errands and before some work. So this is my 2020 R6. I can't believe we just finished a year, and I just came over here to this canyon that I usually come to. Just wanted to do like a moto vlog for you guys and tell you guys what happened for the past 3 weeks. And so I ended up getting the virus, as you guys know, the C virus. And I can't really say it on YouTube because I think they don't allow it because they don't want to distribute like false information and stuff. So yeah, I ended up getting the C virus, and most of you know what that means. But yeah, happy new year. I hope you guys have a great year, successful year ahead of you, and you guys make the best out of it, and make your goals happen, make things happen, and stay busy, you know. And I wish you guys, whoa, oh my god, that sounds so good. Yeah, I just had to rub it one time. Okay, so I'm really sorry for not, staying busy when it comes to vlogging, and staying on the top of that. It's just, you just never know what's gonna happen to you. And I ended up catching that disease, and I still feel really weak, to be honest with you guys. And it's not a good feeling. It really sucks to feel that way. And so I'm really happy that I'm almost done with it. And I'm definitely going to be doing some joint moto vlog with Gloomy R6. He's another moto vlogger, which I will be putting his information in my YouTube description so you guys can check him out. He recently posted a video. They all went for a ride. It was like 1,000+ riders, but it kind of got out of hand because it's crazy. I don't know if somebody was doing crazy stuff or stunts, and the CHP officers came along and some people got arrested. Like Gloomy R6, he almost got arrested himself. I don't know, it was just crazy to see like how it all turned out to be. But yeah, I'm gonna put his information in the description below. Check out his video, check out his channel. Thank you and also thank you for all of you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it, even though I went MIA. Oh, that's a nice Corvette. Yeah, so I think it's really cool to go do like joint rides, but what the crazy part is, what messes up for a lot of people is like when something goes wrong or somebody does like a lot of crazy stuff, and it attracts like the attention of police officers. And also it's the safety on the road. So just think about it, if 50 of you are doing crazy stuff and somebody falls apart and something happens, somebody can lose their life. So I believe in safety, but that's just my personal opinion. I believe you should stay safe at all costs. I mean, here in Cali, there are a lot of crazy riders at the first place, and I like to protect myself. And something that I always tell people anyway, before I get on this bike, I always tell myself I am limited edition. There's no such thing for another Zee Moto in here, but the bike can be replaced, my life cannot be. So that's just my simple motto here. But yeah, I'm really happy to be feeling better, coming back, planning my what's this called, my 2021 goals. I don't know what's happening here. Stop here because he wants me to stop. I don't know what's happening. But yeah, I mean, it's very important to pay attention on your goals it's really important to make sure you guys plan your 2021 year, make things happen. And I'm gonna try to record this video again once I get on the road. Okay guys, I had to pull over and you know, kind of fix my motor vlog. It gets this new helmet that I have, the AGV one, it gets like fogged up really easily. But yeah, I'm really excited for 2021. I'm excited to work on my goals, make things happen, and also, you know, hopefully this is the last year of this virus, and so we can all move back to our normal lives. It really sucks, to be honest with you. When you're sick, nothing matters. Your work, your home, your bike, you just want to get better. So it was horrible, you know, this virus. I'm just saying it's really deadly. You have to really pay attention on your health, and I highly suggest social distancing. But you know what, it comes down to you, but I feel like we're in this together, and we all have to work together to overcome this. So yeah, I mean, I think we're almost done. Hopefully it's over. But I just wanted to know your guys' opinion. What do you guys think? Did any of you catch it? What were your symptoms? Do you think the vaccine is important, or effective? Are you willing to take the vaccine? Because that's another thing. But yeah, you know, it's another beautiful day in California, but it's cold. It's really cold. Like, I personally don't really ride much in cold. I love the heat. I can ride in heat for hours. But I just wanted to start this year before I run my errands and work, and just quickly do the vlog, and also catch up with you guys, and thank all of you for subscribing, watching my channel, commenting, liking. It means a lot, you know. Our channel is taking off, and also if you're interested in buying the camera gear that I have, the GoPro, I'll put the linkage in the description below, or my Yamaha 6 parts that I have used. You're more than welcome to click the link and buy it for yourself. But yeah, I'm looking forward to do like a moto vlog with Gloomy R6 eventually. It's just that my doctor is saying like I need to stay away from people for a little bit. It's for their health and your health, I mean my health. But I'm really excited, guys. I think it's going to be a great year. I'm going to be doing like a moto vlog together with you know, Gloomy R6, and we're going to go right here around here, and probably like another canyon that a lot of people go, which I'm gonna leave it as a surprise for you guys, and you guys will see. But thank you again for watching. Thank you again for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Let me know what are your 2021 goals are. I would love to see it. I mean, I'd love to hear it. Are you going to buy your dream bike? Are you going to save up for your dream bike? Or what are you going to do? I'm really happy the fact that we have survived a really harsh year, and we're gonna make it, guys. It will be over soon. Just stay positive, stay patient, stay persistent, and most of all, ride safe. Pay attention on your safety, pay attention on your life, you know. Just ride, you know, go for a ride, get the bike that you want. And let me tell you guys, this thing is a stress killer. I can never get enough of this bike. It's just amazing. Like, everything about this bike is amazing. Like, everything about it, like, I cannot get enough of it. Makes me so happy. It's like the best thing ever happened to me in a way, ever since we all have to do the social distancing and everything. But yeah, I'll probably do like different type of motor vlogs for you guys. I have a lot of things planned out. and I'm looking forward to sharing with you guys. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I'll catch you guys on the next vlog.